Everybody is asking, will AI replace project managers? And honestly, I think many people are asking the wrong question. The question isn't, will AI replace project managers? The question is, which project managers will AI replace? Because let's be real, AI is going to replace many different types of jobs, and we cannot say that project management will not be among. But I do not believe AI is going to replace project management as a profession. Let me explain.
Welcome to Project Manager. My name is Joy, a project and program manager for over 8 years now across many different industries. On this channel, we discuss everything and anything project management related.
AI is very good at a lot of administrative work that project managers spend time doing. Things like meeting summaries, action items, first drafts of project plans. Generally documentation, organizing information, all of that. In fact, if you are a project manager, you are probably already using AI for many of those things. So yes, AI absolutely has the ability to reduce some of the manual work that we do. But it cannot replace all of it. AI struggles, dare I say, cannot fully do some essential components of proper project management. And these are the parts that many people overlook. The people part, the judgment part, the influence part, the leadership part. Because projects don't actually fail because someone forgot to update a spreadsheet, follow up on a RACI, update the rail. Real projects fail because stakeholders disagree, priorities change, teams are misaligned, leaders want different outcomes, customers have concerns, and risk emerges unexpectedly. And someone has to navigate all of that. Someone with emotion, with sense beyond just data and your basic logic. Someone who has the capability to understand personalities. What is driving individuals that are involved in a project? Whose buy-in you have and who secretly doesn't really want this project to succeed or never even wanted the project to come to fruition in the first place. If your entire value comes from administrative work, I do think you should pay attention. If all you do is schedule meetings, send recaps, update the tracker, then yes, AI may significantly reduce the demand for that type of work over time. And when I say over time, I mean starting yesterday. Technology is evolving so fast, we do not have time to think anymore. We must act. Because AI is already doing many of these things faster and, to be honest, more efficient than a human can. When it comes to manual work, there's so much opportunity for error, typos, but when you're dealing with a computer, if you have the correct inputs, it typically will give you the correct outputs. That being said, the project managers that are going to win are the ones who know how to use AI, not the ones who fear it. Use it. Think about it. If AI can save me 3 hours a week on documentation, reports, our basic administrative tasks that are essentials to project management, that gives me more time to focus on strategy, communication, connecting the dots, properly managing stakeholders, understanding the stakeholders, proper risk management. It allows me more time to actually foreshadow for the possible risks that we may encounter, build those plans, avoidance, mitigation, whichever, alert the necessary people in advance, and honestly, more time to put out fires, because we all know that that is truly a large part of project management. That being said, I don't actually think the bigger threat is AI. I think it's being average. I believe the professionals that will struggle are the ones who never develop expertise. This is because AI makes it easier to do basic work, which means the value shifts to people who bring judgment, experience, subject matter expertise, specialized knowledge. This is the reason I've constantly been telling all of my clients and students right now, develop expertise somewhere. Infrastructure, healthcare, construction, implementation, operation, technology, data centers. It goes on and on. Even within these categories, you can find subcategories and gain expertise. And even if you don't want to silo yourself in just yet, you can still become, for lack of better terminology, a subject matter expert in a certain skill, a rare skill, a skill that's transferable between environments, but many people have not honed into that skill, perfected it. Learn an industry, learn an environment, become known for something. So, do I think AI will replace project managers? Some, absolutely. But I think stronger project managers will actually become more valuable. Because when AI handles the repetitive work, what's left are the things that truly require human judgment, communication, leadership, and really decision-making, trade-offs. Sometimes the numbers do not actually tell you the right decision to make. There are a lot of factors to consider that an efficient, well-rounded project manager naturally does. So AI just gives that project manager more time to think, strategize, weigh outcomes, weigh chance, and make great decisions for the overall business. And that's where excellent project managers have always separated themselves. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think AI will replace project managers? Or do you simply think it's changing the way that we work? Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe, follow on all socials, and check out projectmanager.com for all of your coaching, upskilling, and industry pivoting needs. Remain blessed.